Alright, so here we have the spoiler for the Corolla hatch. Let's take a little peeps of what she's got. Box comes in. See, we got hardware. Looks like we got three bolts. Looks like they got some Loctite on them already. And here we have the spoiler. One thing I noticed about the spoiler is that it's pretty light and very super lightweight. Not sure how much it weighs, but it's light. Yep, so here we go. Here is the spoiler. You can see it's got 3 bolts there, and then the other side it just has more backing tape, and then the little, looks like it's a little popper. Looks like it adjusts and slides, so I guess so you can just gives you room for error if you somehow drill the wrong hole, which is pretty cool. And nothing there, so it looks like it's electrical. I'm not sure what goes there, but it looks like it pops in, 3 bolts in the center, and then yeah, looks pretty self-explanatory. So that's the spoiler, and then also I did buy this. This is a spoiler template. I don't know why this doesn't just come with the spoiler, because I mean, I don't know why, but yeah, just add an extra 30 bucks in the cost and let the template come with it. But anyways, so this is the template. So this you could buy at your dealership. I went to my local dealership. Was able to pick this up for about 25 bucks. That's how much it costs. And it came there very next day. Looks like it's rolled up. It's just a roll for the template. And what this is, basically we'll line it up, and it's going to tell us exactly where to drill our holes for the spoiler. And then I have a 9mm bit with the drill stop there. And then obviously you need a drill as well, power drill. And it does come with instructions as well. The spoiler came with it from the dealer I got it from, so it does come with, and it tells you exactly, what you need as well. So it's pretty helpful. But basically overall, it's like put on the template. We're going to tape it on, make the marks with a punch, and then we're going to go ahead and drill out the holes, and then that's it. So it seems to be pretty straightforward to install, so it shouldn't be too hard at all. But yeah, I'm just lining that up. Yep, that looks like pretty much the same. And for this, looks like it's pretty much the same too. Yep, so this is, like I said, 9mm drill bit. That's what you need with the drill stop on it. Alright, that's pretty much it. That is the Corolla hatchback spoiler, and that's what you get. 3 bolts and that. Very lightweight, sturdy, OEM plus.